All right, Anthony. So this is what I did. This is what it looks. Well, the pegs that I got for $29. So what I did, buddy, I took the old peg and I cut those two. What I was telling you is like those two metal ears, whatever. That goes just like that, just like this right here. So that's it. There we go. That goes just like that, right? When the peg goes up and down on it. So what I did, I cut that off. I cut that right off with a grinder, right? And I used that to get me like a spacer. So what I did with that, I put those two flapping ears in the side just like that, and I got me these pegs. I mean, they're not for this bike, so they're only $29. It's better than you go to the CNC whatever website for the TT250. Now you're gonna spend $70 for freaking pegs. I guess you guys know that I'm just cheap as hell. So what I did, I went used that so I can use them as spacer, rent them like that, just like the drawing I did, right? Just like this. Then you put the pegs. Once you put the pegs, like here, see if you can see. So when the peg goes down, the peg's gonna hold. The frame is gonna hold right on this, on that lip right here. So when it goes down, boom, 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 boom. Check it, boom, boom, boom. You see what I'm saying? I know. If you got the money, go ahead and spend it. But if you just want to spend $29 and get this pegs and do it the way I did it, that's up to you. I'm just making this video for Anthony because he was asking me about this yesterday. So I forgot because I was too busy cleaning my freaking car all day. So one thing though, again, this pegs don't go up and down like the other one because I took a strong bolt and a nut. I tied it really freaking tight. I put some Loctite and I tied it really, really, really tight. I like this way because I look at this like this. If I fall and my bike fall on the side, I'd rather have this protect my engine than this thing fold and then crack the side of my engine. So I don't know, man. I do things my way. Not, if you want to do it, it's up to you. But I'm just telling you that's how I did it. Again, let me show you. I cut that crap off. I grind it right off. If you can't, what I really wanted to do, I wanted to take that whole entire ears out of the peg, out of the old pegs, and take this part of it and just keep just the I don't know how I would call it, like the U shape thing that goes just like that. If you can just keep this one as well and this plate right there, it'll be even better because that way when you put it here, you will have that part right there, and you can just put your pegs, and when you fold them down like that, that's gonna give you support. And I just tied took a strong bolt and a nut, tied it. Put some Loctite in that screw right here because this is like a 360. You can move them like that. And that's pretty much how I did it, bro. I mean, it's up to you if you want to go this route. Me, I don't like spending money. If I can rig it the way I rig it, and they look good and they're very comfortable. So, I mean, it's better than those goofy ass little pegs. I mean, you don't really get a lot of support. So there you go, buddy. I'm gonna post this on YouTube so you can see how I did it. I hope I explained it good enough. I'm tired, dude. So I'm probably not making much sense. So if you see what I did, and just get those two there to use a nice spacer, put it between that right there. I could have paint a little, paint that black, and man, that shit doesn't bother me. Pegs are pegs. And to the screw, boom, boom, and I tied it real tight. And to me, it's good because if I ever fall on the side, I can replace the pegs a lot cheaper than replace, the side of your engine. I don't wanna freaking replace that. That costs a lot of money. So just like a motorcycle guard, I pretty much that's my thoughts, So and as well, I mean just shifter too. So if my bike fall on the side, this will stick up farther than my shifter. So for $29 in Amazon, oh yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you too. It comes with little nipples around the pegs, and well, they sure look nice when I got them, but they came off. Like one or two of them came off. They give you a little bag so you can replace them, but I was just like, the hell with that crap. I just took that shit off because I was already missing 3 of them. So and to me, those pegs, they're very comfortable, and they're big. You can put your foot on that, give you a lot of support. All right, buddy, I'm gonna post this on YouTube so you can check it out. If you need more on information, instruction, hit me up. Peace out. Woo!